Did you know without the use of any design tool, you can create stunning YouTube banners and profile image for your YouTube channels? Yeah, you can. Without touching any design tool like Canva, Photoshop, CorelDRAW, or Pixel Lab. This is absolutely easy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how YouTubers are secretly using AI to generate pro-level prompt using ChatGPT. This is absolutely free and easy. I'm going to be showing you a website you will be using later in this video in generating your YouTube banner using the prompt you've generated using ChatGPT. So if your channel still looks basic, then this is the glow up you've been waiting for. But before we dive in, if this is your first time you're watching from Design Tech Up YouTube channel, you are welcome. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing videos. And as for the returning viewers, thank you. I really appreciate. So without wasting any much of our time, let's dive in. The first thing you're going to be doing is getting access to ChatGPT, and this could be either be done by using the website, the ChatGPT website from the browser, or you can either download the ChatGPT app from either your Play Store if you're using Android, or you can get the app from Apple Store if you are an iOS user. So after you must have done that, after you've gotten access to ChatGPT, the next thing you're going to be doing is inputting at the description a little description of what you want your YouTube channel banner, what you want it to look like. Inputting, giving ChatGPT the instruction to write a prompt for your YouTube channel banner. So in this space where ask ChatGPT, in this space where it is in this page you paste your description, your little description. So like you can see on your screen, it says write a banner design prompt for a movie channel scene vibe, make it beautiful and eye-catching for feel. So this is what I'll be giving ChatGPT. If you have a further description of what you want, probably you want some element to be on your banner, you can further write it so that ChatGPT can tailor the prompt to your wanting. It can tailor the prompt to whatever it is you want it, whatever it is you want your channel banner, you want it to look like. So once you've input in your description, the next thing you're going to be doing is sending this to ChatGPT, and you have to wait for some few minutes while this is being written. So like you can see, this is the banner design prompt for design for Cinevibe moving channel. So you can see this, it said design is tuning eye-catching banner for a moving channel called Cinevibe. The banner should instantly capture the magic of cinema and draw viewers in. So like you can see, it's there are styles and mood: vibrant, cinematic and atmospheric, a blend of modern and classic movie aesthetics, exciting, dramatic and visually immersive. There are even visual elements. So you can see this visual element, color palette. Probably you have a color palette for your channel. You can change this to your own desire. You can change the color palette. Text requirement. So text requirement, you can the modern title is Cinevibe. The tagline, which may be optional. You can write your tagline if you have a tagline for your channel. So like you can see, ChatGPT has gotten for us a prompt. So the next thing you're going to be doing is copy the prompt. You copy the prompt, you copy this prompt, and then you move over to your browser. Then we are going to be using the site Ideogram.ai. This website is used mainly for image creation, for image generation. So I'll be putting the link to this website in the video description and as well in the pinned comment of this video. So once you've gotten access to the website, the next thing you're going to be doing is creating an account. you register on the website. After registration, this is what the dashboard, the home page of the website, this is what it looks like. The next thing you're going to be doing is click on the create icon button here. So you click on it, a new page opens up. So if you check on this page, you can see it says create image, describe what you want to see. This is the space where you're going to be inputting the prompt we've created with ChatGPT. So yeah, you input your prompt, you paste the prompt you've gotten from ChatGPT. Now the next thing you're going to be doing is clicking on this size button. You can see the size, the default size here is 1:1, but that is not the size for the YouTube channel banner. So you click on this and then you change it to 16:9, which is a perfect size for a YouTube channel banner. You change to 16:9. After you must have done that, you click on this button, on this arrow button facing to the top. You click on this and the magic begin. Your banner is being generated. So you have to wait for some few seconds or probably a minute before your channel is being created. So you can see generation complete. So if you look at it, you can see this Cinefib, fill the movies. So you can see the next one, you can see the next one, you can see the next one. So you can see how this was easily created. Absolutely free, absolutely easy, no stress. All you just need is access to ChatGPT and access to Ideogram.ai, and both methods are absolutely free. So once you've created your image, you can simply click on save, and this will be downloaded onto your device. This will be downloaded onto your device. This is the first method. This same method is applicable when creating the profile image. That image like a profile image on Facebook, Instagram, all the social medias, or TikTok, other video social media. That profile image, the same thing as available on YouTube. Let's say you're creating for profile image, just give ChatGPT the instruction to write a prompt for a profile image. You paste it here and it's going to be created for you. This is the first website in creating this. Now moving on to the next website is Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai. This website is absolutely free. You are not making any payment before you can use the website. All you just need to do is check the video description or check the pinned comment in the comment box, click on the link and get redirected to this website. Once you've gotten redirected, you have to do a registration. You have to register on the you have to create an account with Leonardo AI. Once you've done that, this is what the dashboard, the home page of Leonardo, this is what it looks like. So the next thing you're going to be doing is clicking on image. Leonardo can be used for creating video, image. It can be used to upscale image as well. You can just navigate through the page. It is a very useful AI website. So you click on image. Remember, in this video, for the sake of this tutorial, we are creating an image. So you click on image. Once you click on image, you get to this website. So yeah, this website, on this website, you are going to be having a space like this. This is here because I've recently used this prompt here. So this is what the page is going to look like. This is what it's going to look like. So you input your prompt here, then you paste it. After pasting your prompt, before you generate, click on this setting icon here, then you have this page. So remember, 16:9 is the size for YouTube channel banner. So you choose 16:9. After doing that, you click on the generate icon button here. Generating image on Leonardo AI depends on how long your prompt is. So you click on generate. for this particular YouTube channel banner we want to generate, it costs 46 coin, and you are being supplied with 150 coin in a day. You have the opportunity to use 150 coin on Leonardo AI per day. So you click on generate, and the magic is going to be happening. So you can see our image is being generated, the image is being created. So boom, it has been generated. So we just have to wait. So you can see this Cinefy fill the movies, Cinefy fill the movies. So you can see this is the previous one I haven't tried out. So you can see this, So just by using ChatGPT and this website I've shown in this video, you can easily create your YouTube channel banner, or you can create your YouTube channel profile without the use of any design tool, be it Canva, Photoshop, Corel, or Pixel Lab, or whatsoever design tool you have in mind. If I believe you've gotten 1 or 2 values from this video, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload new and amazing videos. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. Until my next video, stay subscribed. Thanks for watching.